Hello mga friendships! Good morning! Yes po, it's morning here. I haven't done this for a while. I call this a sit-down, vlog. So yeah, for today's vlog, I'm going to do a sit-down vlog. So I am going to do an unboxing. So I have this watch. It's an iWatch. And this is my present from my boys, my husband, and my sons for my birthday. So yung birthday ko noong April pa, last week of April, and it's already May after election na. So president na si Bongbong Marcos, talagang sumigli. So this is my birthday flowers. Aww. So I went downstairs this morning and this is what I got. I also got a present. They wrap it up in the princess, wrapper. But I opened already, the presents. But I'm going to show you what it was, what is inside it. Because I'm really happy. I wasn't expecting it. I wasn't expecting anything. But this is actually my favorite, mga friendships. I love this. I love it that they are not buying me cards. They are writing me letters instead because I am keeping all of this. So in here it says Mommy by Cash, Kive, and Daddy. It says here I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stars. Best mommy ever, and the mom Cash and Kive could never imagine. And there's another here. It says would have given 5 stars, but there's lots of nagging, so I only got 3 stars here. Present for you, not flowers. Oh, and that is the present they got me. I'm going to show you, mga friendships, what it is. In here, may continuation pa, mga friendships. This is Kive's letter to me. He wrote, You were a sweet lady I ever thought. You were a very good role model. You are funny. So thank you for reading, Kive, Daddy, and Cash. And then he drew me, oh my God, mga friendships. This is how I look like in the eyes of my son. And I have this beautiful flowers as usual. Roses is my favorite flowers. So I decided to do this today para magamit ko na siya. So yeah, mga friendship. So this iWatch is already my third digital watch. My second iWatch and my third digital watch. Yung second ko, yung first is an iWatch, and the second one is a Fitbit locks. So ito po, this is my husband's iWatch. This is about 2 years old and it's still in good pristine condition, and mine is the smaller one, but as you can see it's already broken. Yeah, so this is my very first iWatch, which is broken. As I said, I put this inside my pocket in my scrub suit in the operating room, and when I pull out my keys, I pulled my watch as well. It fell on the floor, shattered. The screen was shattered into little pieces, and then I bandaged it with a dressing bandage, patient's dressing, and it actually worked very well. It held all the little bits together, but when I charged it, when I went home, it wasn't charging, so it's definitely broken. And contrary to my husband's watch is still working very well. Look at that. Yeah, it's still very nice and all. So he cannot understand why I keep breaking my watches. So because I broke my iWatch, my husband bought me another one. So this is the Fitbit locks. I really like this because it's light, slim, and I really like this when it was still working. And then suddenly it wasn't charging anymore. But I didn't drop this. I'm sure that I didn't drop this, and it is water resistant anyway. So yeah, I don't remove this when I'm taking a shower or when I'm washing dishes, but because this is water resistant anyway. But I did not drop this, so I don't know why it's not charging, you know, anymore. And I still got, you know, everything. I still got the boxes, except for the iPhone. We cannot find the boxes, you know, anymore. We put them together, you know, actually, because this to watch delivered, you know, to our house and as a package. So I'm sure we got the boxes. In fact, I have posted it on my Facebook that they will receive it. So hopefully I can retrieve the pictures. So I can include it on this vlog. Look, oh, kompleto pa siya, mga friendships. Everything is still inside. It has an extra what do you call this one, strap. This Fitbit has an extra strap and it's inside the box. So yeah, it's broken na, hindi na siya nagcha-charge. Look, it's not charging anymore. Usually you know if it's charging because the light will be blinking at the back. Wala na siyang light. So yeah, so I have to accept that I have broken my second watch. So again, this is my husband's, this is mine, which is broken, and another one that is broken. So now, the purpose of this vlog really is so that, you know, I can now unbox my new ones. I can use it, right? So this is iWatch, and it says SE gold aluminum case is Starling Sport Band. So yes, so let's go and let's open this. I have two cameras, mga friendships. I have another one down here. I am using my husband's new phone to capture it closely. So yeah, I have again a bread knife, water packet inside is that, and may dalawa siyang boxes. Siguro one, and then yes, and then two boxes inside. Maybe one is for the strap. It's in the picture ng strap. And the other one is for the face of the watch, siguro with the charger. So I have removed. It looks like that. Ta-da, ta-da. So that watch, my friendships. Yeah, there's a manual as well. Again, yeah, let's put it there. And then the charger, like an iPad thing, the one that connects to the power. The one that connects to the power is different. Yes, but I really like this. Don't you think it's pretty? I wish I have all the colors, no? I wish. I was touched by the present. I wasn't expecting any present. Kasi last year, on my birthday, he gave me a Mulberry wallet. And I know it was quite, you know, it was quite costly. So I understand if I will not get anything, kasi hindi ko naman din siya binibilhan. Pag birthday niya, maarte kasi siya, mga friendship. Iba kasi yung taste niya. Sinahayaan ko na lang siya. So, I will tell him, you know, just buy, you know, whatever you want. Medyo ano siya, mga friendship, yung taste ng husband ko, medyo ano siya. Hindi naman siya kuripot. He wants to buy quality, you know, stuff. And when he get it, he will really use it, you know, like every day he will use it until it's broken. And then he will throw it away. So we are opposite. Ako naman, if I have expensive stuff, I will take care of it. I don't want it to get broken. So if I can use it less, I will use it less. Yeah, para ma-prolong yung lifespan ng gamit ko, lalo na pag expensive. Siya naman, pag expensive, gusto niya talagang gamitin, you know, like everyday para to get his money's worth. Kaya daw dapat gamitin until it's broken, then you throw it away and you just buy another one. May point din naman siya, di ba? tama nga naman. So katulad ko, dami kong mga gamit, mga sapatos, mga bag na luma na pero hindi pa sira. So ayaw kong itapon. So tuloy yan, natatambak na siya. So, oh my God, siguro may sakit ako one hoarder. It's just like that. I don't want to, I really don't want, to throw, my stuff. Especially pag alam kong pwede pa siyang magamit. And another thing is that, especially kung bag, ayoko din mamigay. I don't know. Hindi naman sa madamot ako. It's just that I feel attached to the bag. Lalo naging favorite ko siya and I'm always using it. So if I give it away, I feel like i-disregard ko siya. Parang hindi ako loyal sa kanya. Like, the bag gave me service. I love it. I use it for so many occasions because I like it. Tapos pag meron akong bago, ipapamigay ko na lang siya. Parang meron ang parang may diferensya ako. Anyway, I am just sharing this with you, mga friendship. Hayaan nyo lang, helping me. This is therapeutic to me. So yeah, so mga bag, I would rather bumili ako ng bago na ibibigay ko rather than ibibigay ko yung luma ko na. Kaya lalo na pag nagamit na, diba? Parang ko siyang friend. Parang ko siyang betray. That is the word. I feel like I'm betraying them pag ipapamigay ko sila. So, yes. So yan tuloy. Dami kong mga nakatago-tago dyan na mga luma na mga gamit. Tapos, yung husband ko hindi siya happy kasi ang dami daw mga nakatambak ng mga luma. Hindi ko na naman daw kasi gagamitin kasi meron akong bago. So siya, samantalang siya, kunti lang yung mga gamit niya pero quality. Tapos gamit na gamit talaga. Oh my God. Well, anyway, ang dami ko ng kwento. Nag-unboxing lang naman tayo, di ba? So, there it is. So, I have the face of the watch, which is this one. Ito yung face niya. The color is almost the same color as my, akala siguro ng husband ko, favorite color ko itong, itong Fitbit. This is Fitbit Lux. So, yun, binili niya, gano'n din na color, but it's quite big. Right, pero rose-colored naman yung yung face ng watch. So yes, and then ito yung charger. I will show you how to connect this. I know how to connect this kasi this is how my ganito din naman yung dati kong watch. Below bat daw siya, so kailangan siyang i-charge. So yeah, oh my God, it's rose-colored. Yung nasira ko is only little different. So, yes, mga friendships. So that's about it, mga friendships. So now I have a new iWatch. I need to charge it. I'm going to charge this first. So yes, mga friendships. So that's my vlog for today. The unboxing of my Apple Watch. So thank you so much for watching. And see you around next time. Bye!